Hey guys, if you want to compress images on Hostinger, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So if you want, you can use an image compression plugin for WordPress. If you're inside the or using a WordPress install plugin like Smush or Compress JPEG or PNG images, these plugins right here, I'm gonna type it for you so you can have an idea, like Smush for example, right? And you're gonna be able to automatically compress images upon upload. And it is important because if you want to compress images, and you're gonna be able to upload the photo quickly, right? And you can use online comparison tool. You can use online website like Tiny PNG, right? For this website to compress the images before uploading them to your website, or you can type the JPEG, right, optimizer, okay, and you can visit this official website and you can basically compress the photo from here by uploading the photo. And you can use image editing software like Adobe Photoshop or GIMP to manually reduce image size and using save for web function, right? So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.